Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny U-Pull, and what I'm going to show you is something I never thought I would see in the junkyard. It is a 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup. Now, I think that's what's called, a Rabbit pickup. Before I get into showing you this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell notification so you can tell when a video goes up. And also, if you guys want to see more, comment below what you want to see. And if you subscribe, it just makes it easier for me to do more for you. And yeah, I would just super appreciate it as well. It would really help me out. So that's actually really sad because this is in really good shape. It's got almost no rust on it, and the doors close perfectly. Of course, the forklift did mangle the floor up a bit. And wow, the door panel's in great shape. The interior's in great shape overall. The dash is in good shape. Manual transmission, of course. So nice. I really like it. Oh. There we go. Toolbox in the back. I wonder if there's anything in it. Nope, there's not. But look at that. The floor is wood in it. I wonder if it's rotted underneath though. I don't think it is. Wow. Little 14-inch wheels. These look like they're off a Cabrio. They might be. And is that, oh my gosh, that's a little exhaust pipe, I think. It's so little. Okay, we'll get back here for a second. Had a trailer hitch on it too. Look at that. The tailgate's in good shape too. Wow. Oh my gosh, this thing is in awesome shape. And we'll check out under the hood, but I believe it has my favorite engine in it. Well, one of. Gas door over here. And it's my favorite color too, it's silver. Oh, that's such a cool car. The bumper's in good shape and everything too. And under the hood, some of you might already see it. Under the hood, we have the non-turbo diesel. Not the turbo diesel, non-turbo. I can tell this diesel from that right there. That is an injection pump. Oh my gosh. And it has, oh, here's the cluster. 358,000 kilometers on it. Okay, it's up there. It's up there a bit. But the block has been painted at some point, so it might be rebuilt. Wow. That's unfortunate. Something, a gauge for something. Fuel pressure gauge, I think they did that for. Oh my gosh. Look at where the alternator is. Not much room. But wow. Volkswagen Rabbit pickup at the junkyard. I might have to ask how much to take this home with me. This might have to come home with me. Oh wait, never mind. I think it might be cheesed in there. Oh yeah, she's been cheesed. Look at that, guys. A whole bunch of cheese in this thing. Maybe it's not as good as I thought, but still, what a cool little truck. Oh, I'm just so sad to see it here. Anyways, yeah, Volkswagen Rabbit pickup, diesel at the junkyard. And I'm at Kenny Upel right now, Hamilton, if any of you are looking. It might still be here, it might not. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.